we can't get anything here.
Counties, Barber, Kingman, Pratt, and Reno, and the following counties in Oklahoma: Alfalfa, Grafton Woods. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hailstones, close to the watch area.
Building up another one.
Persons should remain alert to rapidly changing weather conditions. Listen to later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. A severe thunderstorm
This is all heavily wooded area.
No county until 7 p.m. At 6:13 p.m., National Weather Service meteorologists were tracking a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a water-size hail. The thunderstorm was located near Taunton, Gila, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Locations impacted include
Inflow. Right there, right there. Perfect. Pull over.
Kingman was mostly sunny. The temperature was 75.
Everybody stopping here.
The relative humidity was 64%.
Okay, here. Phil, picture. Okay. You can tell there's inflow going into the storm. Got a beautiful, beautiful inflow tail going into it. Is it near the jogging just a little bit more?